presentation, right?
No. Marcel is going to show up and he's going to do these questions for you, okay? So as soon as he asks you the question, you can answer him, okay? Because we receive a lot of questions in advance, okay?
Okay, no problem.
In order to...
Eliane, eu te mandei o link, você encaminha para o Alexandre?
Já pus, Marcelo.
O Alexandre, você fez o grupo aqui, você mandou alguma mensagem no grupo? Acho que eu não estou nesse grupo aí.
No chat?
No Zap, né?
No Zap não, cara. Não mandei, não. Eu tenho o seu e-mail, o seu telefone normal. Não fiz nenhum grupo, não.
Tá, não, tranquilo. Não, pensei que estava no grupo. Pensei que tinha um grupo. Tranquilo. Tem problema. Só mandar aqui no chat também. Não tem problema. Em falta 5 minutos, eu vou... Acho que vale a pena a gente abrir, né? Vamos tirar os vídeos.
Só um minutinho, só vou passar as últimas perguntas para ela. Ok. Bom, Marcel, estou te encaminhando as perguntas, tá?
Ah, não, tranquilo.
这个怎么好像是老的？这个是老的。要不是柜子下面有最新的。谢谢。
Pronto.
Então eu vou desligar meu vídeo aqui. Você também, tá, Alexandre? A Eliane já desligou.
Okay,
Bella, we are going to turn off your video and your microphone. So when Eliane invites you to the virtual stage, okay, you can turn on your microphone and your video, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Bella, good luck. Okay, we are here. If you need any support, we are here. Okay, good luck.
Okay.
Have a good presentation, okay?
Good presentation.
Thank you. Thank you. 要准备开始。
Vou parar seu vídeo, tá, Alexandre? Já parou.
会先关上我的，然后等一下邀请我进来，我再打开。好吧，没问题。
Olá a todos, sejam todos muito bem-vindos a mais um webinar aqui da ABC com a Colormix. Obrigado, Eliane Dornelas, por estar aqui conosco. Também agradeço a participação nos testes do Alexandre Monteiro e, lógico, pela participação de hoje da Bela Ram, executiva de vendas da Siloc. E, ao final, vocês também vão conhecer a Eliane Shu. Ixi, agora, gente, chinês é um pouquinho complicado aqui, mas depois ela vai me corrigir. Eliane Shu, da área técnica, para as perguntas técnicas, ok? E também eu vou agradecer a Mayra na organização e assistência por trás das câmeras, a Iana também está aqui por trás das câmeras, e a Cida pela tradução. Pessoal, vou lembrar vocês, né, que a gente vai ter o evento Hair Tech da ABC, que vai acontecer agora no comecinho de dezembro, tá? Um evento único, coordenação da Ana Carolina Ribeiro, composta que vai ter um comitê científico de peso, então vai ter a Solange Garcia, o Alberto Keiji Kurebayashi, então imagina o peso que vai trazer isso daqui com os palestrantes únicos que vão vir para esse evento. Terá tradução simultânea para inglês, espanhol e português, lógico, ou seja, a gente vai estar trazendo para vocês um mundo, né, que está mudando essas necessidades dos cuidados com os cabelos, né? E é muito importante vocês entenderem e se aprofundarem nisso. Então, o HairTech vai trazer essas tecnologias e todas essas tendências de cuidados e transformações, né, que estão acontecendo com esse novo comportamento do consumidor hoje. Então, vocês conseguem ver todas essas informações em casadacosmetologia.com.br, tá ok? Bem, para esse evento que vai acontecer hoje, o evento vai ser na língua inglesa, tá ok? Então, o que acontece? A gente vai ter tradução simultânea, tá? Então, é muito importante, se vocês quiserem ouvir na língua em português, basta você clicar aqui embaixo, deixa eu até ver se eu estou apontando para o lado certo, é para o lado de cá. Então, nesse cantinho aqui de vocês, vai ter um botãozinho chamado Interpretation, e aí vocês podem clicar nele e clicar em português, que ali vocês vão estar ouvindo na língua portuguesa. Tá ok, gente? E, bem, as perguntas aqui, é importante que as perguntas cheguem para a gente em inglês, tá? Vamos pedir para vocês mandar essas perguntas para a gente em inglês, para a gente poder fazer ao final do evento. Sem mais delongas, espero que esteja já aqui ao meu lado a Eliane Dornelas para fazer a apresentação dessa belíssima apresentadora de agora. Eu vou pedir até para a Iana, se eu tiver que já conseguir colocar na tela para a gente, a imagem da Colormix. Se não tiver, eu coloco por aqui também, não tem problema. Vamos ver, mais um segundinho. Ótimo. Eliane, bem, vou deixar você agora fazer essa apresentação da Bela, tá? Deixo você agora aqui, a gente se vê no final da apresentação, tá bom?
Ok, Marcel, bom dia a todos. Agradecemos aí a participação de todos que estão conosco aqui no canal do Zoom ou no YouTube. E hoje a gente vai ter uma palestra sobre silicones inovadores, né, com a Bela Ram, que é a executiva de vendas da Siloc, que é uma empresa fabricante de silicones. A Bela tem uma experiência, né, nessa área comercial de vendas de silicones para a área cosmética, e há 3 anos atua dentro da linha SiCare da empresa Siloc. Junto com a Bela, né, para a apresentação da parte técnica e para a questão das dúvidas, das respostas, a gente vai ter a minha xará, a Eliane Shi, que é responsável pelo P&D da SiCare. Então, convido a todos aí, né? Bella and Eliane, are you coming? And now, follow if you.
Hello, everyone. Hello, Eliana. Okay. Hi everyone, it's Bella Han from Hunan Siloc. And I'm here to give you a presentation for our Siloc silicone products. At first, allow me to introduce about our company SiCare, Hunan Siloc Silicone. Actually, we found in 2004. The first company is Guangzhou Siloc Chemistry. And in 2017, Hunan Siloc Silicone is separated the personal care silicone ingredients as an independent company. Besides, we have two other manufacturing companies. The first one is Guangzhou Siloc Polymer. The second one is SiC New Material Polymer. And you can see we have two R&D centers, both in Guangzhou and Hunan. And our operating center is in Guangzhou, Science City. And our manufacturing and operation center is located in Hunan province. These are some qualifications we have, including ISO, REACH, Halal, and high-tech enterprise. Now we have to authorize invention patents, and 5 patents are under actual examination. Now about our Hunan Siloc. It's a manufacturer for silicones used for personal care and home care products. And Guangzhou Siloc Polymer Company. It is in charge of the industrial silicone raw materials. And for SiC New Material Company, it is mainly for the rubber and plastic area. Now let's go through our product tree. In the downside, you can see dimethicone and dimethiconone. From this structure, we have basic silicones like silicone oil and silicone gel blend. And in the left side, we can see a cross-linking dimethicone cross-polymer. These are our silicone elastomer gels. And let's go upside, the silicone resin. Then the organic performance, we have OQ modified silicone, including silicone oil and the silicone wax. And then come to high refractive index. From this part, we have vinyl modified silicone. It has very high gloss. Then the right side, we have the fatty acid modification. It is our natural plant oil modified series silicone. And then come to the conditioning, we have amodimethiconone and the amino silicone oil, amino silicone emulsion. Then come to the right part, it is emulsifier with hydrophilic effective, including silicone emulsifier and water-soluble silicone wax, water-soluble silicone oil. Then it's 9960, a silicone elastomer gel with color fixing and emulsifying effect. At first, let's see the silicone elastomer gel. On the left side, it's a structure picture. We can see it has loose cross-linking structure. So it has elastic, pliable film forming, can provide water resistance, velvet soft cushion touch, has feeling, matte, and out absorption performance. It has a three-dimensional network of macromolecules. Through the combination of different cross-linking systems and different solvents, we can get a various skin sensations, such as dry refreshing, silky, powdery, and moisturizing. Silicone elastomer gel can extend the lasting time of cosmetics on the skin surface, can provide a comfortable, softer skin texture. Now you can see the picture. Silicone elastomer, it can change the path of light reflection. From the picture comparison, we can see after applying 9966, the fine lines and pores are hidden. So it is soft focus, can hide skin pores, lines, blemishes, can smooth the skin, endow with pink baby-like skin. Now you can see we have different kinds of silicone elastomer gels. For the powdery cover wrinkle, we recommend 9900 or 9910F. For silky and soft texture, we recommend 9905 and 9908. And if you want non-volatile silicone elastomer gel, we recommend 9916, 9946, and 9926F, 9946F. If you look for film forming and lasting effect, we recommend 9960. Now we come to 9960. You can see the NCI name. It has dimethicone oil, PG10 dimethicone, and vinyl dimethicone cross-polymer, and also with polymethyl silky. It's a kind of silicone resin, can help offer the film forming effect. And it is non-volatile. On the picture are the structure of each part of the silicone elastomer gel. We made some tests to compare the Emulsion with 9960 and without 9960 to see the difference. Now you can see the viscosity. The Emulsion with 9960 Emulsion is much higher than the one without it. We can see a small amount of 9960 can increase the viscosity of the water in oil formula. So it is a good thickener for water in oil formula. By the way, it has both emulsify and thickening effect. And from these two pictures, we can see the skin sensation, which is changed by 9960. Emulsion with 9960 has less greasy feel and faster absorption, more residue feel, but non-greasy, has significant moist and lasting soft silky feel. From these pictures, we can see the skin adhesion. For the other market available silicone elastomer gel, you can see some rubbing mud on the skin surface. when you apply it. But with 960, no rubbing mud. It is very skin fitting, has good skin adhesion. (960) also has excellent color retention and migration resistance. It is recommended in the lipstick and color cosmetics. Now from the pictures we can see the lip gloss with 960 have more delicate and colorful appearance. And for these two pictures, we can see 960 has a good migration resistance for color retention in the lip gloss formulas. The other two are competitors on market. Now this picture showed a comparison. We compared lip gloss by SiCare2308 and the lip gloss on market available, which is very good brand, but they don't have very good color fiction. Here's the formulation to show you a satin stay-in lip gloss. In this formula, we use 80% 960. It offers very long-lasting and migration resistance, so the color can stay on the lip very long. Non-transfer, water resistance. Meanwhile, it is also misty matte effect, help to cover the fine lines on the lip. Now we come to the next part, the D5 alternatives and our modified silicone oil. We all know that EU regulations on the limits of D5 and the other cyclic silicone oil, which lead us to find some alternatives in most of the formulas. Now we have a series of products to recommend. At first, it's the Silicone with very low viscosity. From the left side, 201 1.5, it is Silicone with 1.5 viscosity. And the second with 2 viscosity 2. The third, viscosity 3. The fourth, viscosity 5. And then comes to 2942. It is a combination Silicone, which has similar volatilization with D5. And then it is 2943. It's a combination of Silicone and isoparaffin. Then comes to our special products, the Ceto Silicone and the Ocu Silicone, 2308 and 2334. Both of the products have very low cyclic silicone oil residue. The D4 is less than 0.1%. D5 is less than 0.1%. Now let's see the volatile rate. On the picture we can see that D5 has quite high volatile rate, and 2308 has a bit lower volatile rate than that. but 2334 is non-volatile. So it's a special recommendation for you. Here you can see more clearly the volatile rate comparison. That 2942 and 2943, they have similar volatile rates as D5. So these two products are strongly recommended if you need the similar volatile rate as D5. Then let's see the spreadability comparison. We can see quite clear that SiCare2308, SiCare2334, and 2942, 2943, they all have good spreadability. And the 2942 has the best spreading performance. So it is better than D5. For the others, they have similar performance to D5. When we come to the skin feel comparison, from the chart, we can see 2942 has the best color uniformity. 2943 and 2308 have excellent smooth feel. Now, we come to the recommendation for D5 alternative. The first one, 2308. The inky name is Caprylyl Silicone. It has volatile rate and has very low viscosity with low surface tension and fast spreadability, silky touch. Well compatible with oils and sunscreens, etc. Has a good powder dispersion. This is its structure. Now we go through the compatibility. We can see, in spite of water, it is compatible with almost all the common used cosmetics ingredients. So you will have very high freedom to choose to control the formula if you use 2308 to replace D5 in your formula. You will have more choices. Now, pardon me. We come to the effect on surface tension. Now there are two charts. First one shows effect on surface tension of sunflower seed oil. We can see 2308 can reduce the surface tension effectively. And the second chart shows the effect on the surface tension of oil commonly used in cosmetics. We can see including almond oil, sunflower oil, and the other white oil or other oils. It can effectively reduce the surface tension, so it has very good spreading ability and liquidity. And it can reduce the greasiness and stickiness of the other oils. Then the 2942 and 2943 are our second recommendation for D5 alternatives. We can see here the structure. 2942 structure is only dimethicone. 2943 structure include dimethicone, isododecane, hexadecane. Now we come to the modified silicone oil. You can see the structure of OQ modified silicone here. We insert the OQ segment on the dimethicone segment. So the compatibility with other cosmetic ingredients is greatly improved, while the gloss is also improved. And we control different degrees of polymerization. So we get OQ silicone oils with different viscosities and different skin feels. They can be widely used in all kinds of personal care products with multiple functions in skincare, sunscreen, makeup, and hair products. This is the typical characteristics. It's moisturizing, has silky soft skin feel, with can be a powder product adhesion or a binder. Has excellent grease compatibility. Can improve spreadability and even distribution of other ingredients. Has good conditioning performance. This is our product line for OQ modified silicone oil. You can see we have different viscosity lines and with different refractive index here. So their skin feel is also different. Now the 2334 is our recommendation for the third D5 alternative, because it also has a very low viscosity, although it is non-volatile. Let's see how 2334 reduce the surface tension of the other oils. From the chart, we can see a small amount of OQ silicone oil can lower the surface tension of the other oils, like mineral oil, vegetable oil. So it can improve the spreading ability of the oil and of the formula. Then we come to the phenyl silicone. Here is our product line. We have three main items, and among them, 2556 is our recommendation for you. It is similar to Dosu 556. The same inky, phenyl trimethicone, and the similar viscosity, very low, so it's very refreshing. And for phenyl silicone oil, the feature is we add a phenyl group to the siloxane segment. So it gets high refractive index and high gloss. Also, it gets better organic material compatibility. So we can get high gloss and smooth skin feel for the formula. It is suitable for products such as lipstick, lip glaze, liquid foundation, high gloss products, etc. It can also be used in hair care products like conditioners, shampoo, and hair serum, hair wax, etc. Then is our Amino silicone oil and emulsion. This part is mainly for hair care products. Here we can see the amodimasticone structure and how it works to be conditioning to the hair. Amino group has a charge attraction effect, and it is easier to absorb, anti-static, help to offer better softness to the hair. Amino-modified silicone are cationic, can give the product with better softness and conditioning effect, so the hair will be smooth. It's our Amino silicone emulsion product lines. We have many different items here. And the one I will recommend to you is 2975T, which is an ultra small particle size micro emulsion. It can be used in clear formula like transparent shampoo. This one, 2975T. And the other one I will recommend is 2965. Looking from the ink name, you will know. It is similar to the Dalsil 949. It has a good softness and fluffiness, can provide color protection to the hair. Here's a chart to show different features of different items. Like 2975T, the best feature of it, we can see here, very suitable one. Fluffy effect, dry feel, reduce drying time, and suitable for oily hair, suitable for transparent system. Then, for 2965, the best performance is soft effect. Improve wet and dry hair compatibility. Oh, sorry. Combing performance. With thermal protection and color protection. It is very repairing for the hair. And for the other items, if you have interest, you can look over after the presentation. Now we come to our water-based skincare new solutions. For this part, I will introduce you with our water-soluble silicone oil and wax. Now you can look at the picture in the center. It's a structure of water-soluble silicone oil. This series, they can be obtained by attaching the hydrophilic groups, including PEG and PPG, to the silane chain segments. The silicone oil can be used in pure water-based products or transparent water-based formulations, such as toners, mask essence, gels, etc. It offers the formula with a silky skin feel, increased moisturizing properties. It can also provide excellent conditioning performance in the hair products. Can play a role in cleaning formula, like the skin cleanser, to increase foam stability and foam density. Can also improve the moisture feel after dry. Can reduce the dry feel after cleaning. These two items are our recommendations for you. 2292F, it is silicone oil, water soluble, or we can say it's polyester silicone. The viscosity is medium. And the other one, 269W30F, it is waxy-like paste. It's a silicone wax, but it's also water soluble. We can see from the surface tension, only 0.1% of SiCare2292F or 269W30F can reduce the surface tension of water effectively. Also, it has a surface activity in the formula. Now this picture shows the transparency of water solution of 2292F. We can see that the water solutions of 2292F of different properties have high transparency and little change in transparency with different proportions. So it can be used to make fully transparent system formulation. If you look for such ingredient, you can try this item or its similar item 2293. Now this picture shows the water solution of 269W30F. It's similar with 2292F, but the water-soluble silicone wax can help to increase foam and stabilize foam in cleansing formulas and in the shampoo. So they have a little difference. And this one will have more moisturizing feel after use. Here's the application of this series products. First, water-based products like essence. It can offer silky feel, increase the moisture retention. 2, in the skincare lotion and cream sun care, help to emulsify, improve moisture, but not sticky. 3, used in bathing, cleansing, and makeup removal products. It can be used as a foam thickener, stabilizer, improve lubricities and hydrating effect. 4. Used in hairspray and other wash-free hair care products. Improve the hair smoothness, silkiness, and grooming. Make hair more silky, soft, shiny, plump, and unheavy. 5. Used in transparent or opaque shampoo. 6. Used in perfume, shaving cream, deodorant. Can reduce irritation and improve fragrance retention. Suitable for a range of automotive and household cleaning product applications. Include the anti-fogging agent for glass cleaning. Now this picture shows the sensory enhancement of the water-soluble silicone oil and wax in facial mask. We can see from the charts that it offers excellent softness and absorbency and excellent line blurring, enhance the whiteness with less thickness, and has moisturization with more slipperiness. In total, that water-soluble silicone oil and wax has excellent silky smoothness, softness, and absorbency. And here is the comparison. Now we come to the fifth part. It's our guide formulations. First one is the lip gloss. It is Misty Velvety Matte. The feature is don't feather-like, zero gravity, non-heavy, silky texture. And with Misty Matte makeup effect, it is lasting, not dizzy. Very easy to dry, easy to film formation. In this formula, the effective ingredient we use is 9960. The first product I introduced today, a silicone elastomer gel with emulsifying and thickening effect, which is also film forming. Now, maybe I can show you the product later, the sample. And 9960, it is also moisturizing and long-lasting, has a velvet feel, excellent skin adhesion. It can soft focus, has a misty surface effect, providing a unique color fixation effect. Then the second formula, it's a concealer, but also it is a liquid foundation. The feature is very good spreading ability, has excellent moisturizing and silky smooth skin feel. It with good skin affinity and without powder sticking, it can hide skin defects. Has a good soft matte feel without dry feel. Has excellent makeup staying effect, can last very long. Not easy to remove. And the foundation formula contains no define. Now in this formula, we recommend 3 products for you. 2334. It offers excellent silky smoothness and spreadability with excellent organic material compatibility. Then is 2943. The volatile rate is very close to D5. Then is 2953. It's a silicone resin, fast film forming with high film firmness, improve water and skin sebum resistance, can enhance the lasting makeup effect. This is the formula of skincare. It's a silky softening essence. We use the 22925-2292F, the water-soluble silicone oil. The feature of this formula is has excellent silky and embellished feel, with significant moisturizing soft smoothness, effectively hydrating to the skin, and moisturizing, has lasting soft tender feel after absorption. Now 2292F, in this formula, it provides high gloss, transparent water solution, very easy to disperse. It gives the product with excellent silky feel, reduce the sticky feel from the other ingredients. It has lasting soft skin, improve the brightening and moisturizing effect of all the water products. And this is a formula for hair care. It's a hair nourishing essence. The feature is excellent water smooth feel, light, fresh, non-greasy feel. Instantly smooths the hair. Immediately improves the hair combing performance. Can be very easy to comb after use. Also enhance hair gloss to be shiny. Makes the hair feel light and heavy, smooth, soft, bright, and elastic. In this formula, 2292F provides a long-term moisturizing and softening effect. Can brighten the hair. In the other product, it's a Amino Silicone Emulsion 2975T. It is anti-static, gives hair with excellent softness, smoothness, and lightness. Can be conditioning to the hair. And this formula is also for skincare. It's a formula with our water-soluble silicone wax, 269W and 30F. The feature is transparent, crystal jelly-like. And when you smear, it turns into water. The down-like silky watery touch. And moisturizing, non-sticky. It can make the skin very soft, smooth, and naturally shiny after use. And the water-soluble silicone wax in this formula, it provides silky smooth skin touch, enhance moisturizing effect. It is long-lasting, softer the skin. And let's go on to the next formula, the foam toner. In the foam toner, we also use our water-soluble silicone wax, 269W30F. In the formula, it is a foam thickener and also stabilizer with a certain fat-dissolving ability. It has gentle cleansing effect, but not stimulating. It can help to clean the skin and provide moisturizing effect after dry. It has long-lasting soft skin feel, can increase skin luster and gloss. So the picture of this foam toner is squeeze foam, become water while you smear. And after cleansing, it can be cleaned again with cotton pad to remove skin residue. It is gentle, smooth, can tender the skin with hydrating, excellent moisturizing feel. It's refreshing, not greasy at all. Then comes to the makeup remover. The feature is easy to remove all kinds of makeup and gentle makeup removal without stimulating, hydrating, no dry feel, provide with clear and tender touch. In this formula also use the water-soluble silicone oil. It is with lipid, reduce the dry feel after removal, provide silky soft skin feel, non-irritating. And that is our presentation. Thanks you all for your listening.
Hello, Bella.
Hello, Marcel.
Thank you so much for presentation. We got
very
some
much.
questions here. Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. The first question we are going to make this is this one. Do you have any vegetal silicone available?
Okay, yes, we do have vegetable silicone. And in the presentation, maybe I referred to an item 2802. It is dimethyl metal formate. The silicone oil is modified by metal foam seed oil. It is very natural and very mild, skin friendly, with moisturizing performance. Thank you.
Okay. Second question we got here is which silicone do you suggest to brighten up the hair?
Okay. If you want to brighten the hair, we recommend phenyl modified silicone oil. And I also mentioned 2556 in the presentation just now. It is similar to the Docil product, Docil 556. And they have the same inky and the high glossy. Thank you.
Okay, well, we got other questions here, but this question is mine. Why the numbers on the name of the products? For example, SiCare 2942 and 2943. What do these numbers mean?
Actually, it's just a kind of number. The way we name the product to distinguish them. Yes, different product lines.
Okay. And which silicone is most suitable as a film former?
For this question, just now in the formulation part, we mentioned a film former. It's a silicone resin. The silicone resin can be film forming very fastly and very firmly. The film after forming, it will be water resistance and skin sebum resistance, so can be lasting. Help the product last long on the skin surface or last on the lip surface. And the recommended item is 2153.
Ok.
Thank you.
Well, pessoal, quem quiser fazer perguntas, façam as perguntas no chat, tá? Podem fazer as perguntas aqui no chat. Aproveitem agora, tá? Vamos lá. Let's go. Do you have any silicone with tests of thermal protection in the hair? In hair, sorry.
Okay. Yes. Just now we recommended 2965 for hair products, and it has a thermal protection for hair. Also has a color protection for hair. So recommended for the like permed hair or perming agent, or like the coloring agent, colored hair. It is recommended. Yes. Thank you.
Okay. What is SiCare's recommendation to replace volatile silicone? Oh, volatile silicone. I think it's
Okay.
that.
Volatile
So sorry.
silicone. It's okay. As for volatile silicone, in our presentation, we have a part is the D5 alternatives, and that is the volatile silicone alternative. And we have many recommendations for this application, such as 2308 and 2334, and also 2942. 2943. Thank you.
Okay, we got one last question here. It's from Tatiana. Which silicone would you or could you indicate for patch production, patch products?
Patch?
Yeah, animals like dogs and cats.
Oh, pets products. Is it means for pets cleansing?
Well, I don't know, Tatiana, if you maybe you.
Pardon me to consulting our R&D here. And this is our R&D, Miss Xu, Eleni Xu, and she will help me to answer some questions here. Hello, everyone.
Hello, Eliane. Yes, so is there any products that you could indicate for pet production for animals like dogs and cats?
Okay, let's see these questions. Please wait a moment.
就是说，如果对
Então, gente, enquanto elas estão ali nesse pequeno intervalinho rápido aqui, quem quiser fazer perguntas, aproveitem aqui, tá? Façam as perguntas agora aqui. E já estamos na última pergunta, mas se chegarem perguntas aqui agora, a gente aproveita e faz, tá?
Hi, Muscle. I'm back here after discussion with our R&D. Actually, all of our products here, I introduced today, are all suitable for pet care, pet cleaning, such as for pet cleaning, we recommend water-soluble silicone oil and water-soluble silicone wax. Yes.
Okay.
And for the pet's hair, for the pet's hair conditioning, we recommend amodimazicone, like the SiCare2975T, 2965. It can be conditioning, help the hair to be smooth and silky. Yes.
Okay. Bella, are you going to show some products on your skin? I remember you had something to show on the skin. Do you have some or not?
Yes, may I?
Sure. Before that, there is a question here from Anderson. You can prepare that, okay? And which silicone do you recommend to replace cyclometicone in aerosol transparents? Anti-transparent, sorry.
Aerosol anti-transparent, transparent. 代替 cyclometicone. Actually, if you want to replace cyclometicone, it is similar to DeFi, cyclopentadimeticone. Yes, and it's a volatile silicone oil. We will recommend the like 2308, 2334, and the 2942, 2943 for the replacement. It will be very refreshing and easy to spread in the spray.
Okay. So now I think now you can show the products on the skin.
Yes, of course. The lip glaze. I will show you.
I will stop my video just for you to show in a big screen for them. Okay. You can continue.
Okay, thank you.
When you finish, just tell me.
Thank you.
Everybody's seeing full screen now. Okay.
Okay. Now you can see. I will apply this on my hand. You can see it is very velvety and very light, not heavy. And it has very fast film formation. Like this, when I smear, it has already formed a film on the skin surface. It will be non-transfer now. Like this. You can see this is just now, the first. And now it is non-transfer. So this is the lip gloss we use. This is the lip gloss we use 9960. The silicone elastomer gel with film formation. And then it's the second formula just recommended, just introduced. It's a liquid foundation, also a liquid concealer. 要遮这个吗？可以，还是旁边难度啊？对，好，啊，有点难。I will get some on my skin. Like here. You can see it is refreshing, easy to spread. Has a covering effect and fit to the skin. It can fit to the skin very tightly. And then this one is a essence, skin essence. It is transparent, water-like. I can show you. On my skin, you can see it is liquidity. And it is very easy to spread. Silky. Moisturizing. but not greasy. You can see it's not greasy at all, but it is very moisturizing. In this formula, we use our water-soluble silicone wax. And this one, it is a hair essence spray. It has very good conditioning effect to the hair. 要不要试一下头发？不用吧，够了吧？啊 ，OK。This one. And for this one, it is a foam toner. We can see the foam. It is quite delicate, but when you smear, it becomes water. It's a foam toner, but it can become to the water when you smear it immediately. In this formula, we also use the silicone wax, water-soluble silicone wax. And this is the removal. The removal water is for the like cosmetics, and I can show you here. Like I got the color cosmetics on my hand, and I will use removal to remove the color cosmetics. You can see the cosmetics is dissolved by the removal, and then you can remove it with a pad or some paper, soft paper. So this one, in this, we also use the water-soluble silicone oil. And I will introduce some other formulas for you. The watery, long-lasting, non-transfer eyeshadow. This is a very special formula. You can see when I apply on my skin. It is very fast film forming and can be very high color. And you can see it's non-transfer now. But it is very easy to remove when you flush it under the water and you smear it. It will be removed. Then it is the BB cream. This BB cream is very long-lasting and has a concealer effect. This kind. You can see very easy to spread and fast film forming. Non-sticky. Now it is film forming. The makeup can last for a long day, a whole day. Besides, we also have some special formulas here. The plasticine-like eyeshadow. You can see it is soft cushion-like when you press it, and very easy to be colored. Like this. It's a special one. No flying powder and no crack when it is dropped down. Besides, here is a gloss. Here's a highlight, which is liquid. You can see it is very shiny and easy to apply. You can smear it out to be very natural bright. Very shiny. And 还有吗？ And there's a lipstick here. This lipstick, it is Misty Matte. Generally speaking, the Misty Matte lipstick will be not so easy to spread, not so silky to apply, but this one has a silky applying sense. You can see here, it's very easy to apply, but it has a misty matte makeup effect, like more velvety. So this is a formula. In this formula, we use our silicone elastomer gels together with the silicone resin powder to make it last long and cover fine lines. It can cover the fine lines on the lip also, and it has a misty face effect. Okay, I think my introduction, that's all. Thank you, Marcel. Thank you.
Okay, we are back. And thank you so
Yes.
much for your presentation. I really like all the products being applied on your hand.
Thank you.
Okay, so now we got here Eliane that's going to end the presentation. It's going to say some words here, and she's going to finish the presentation. So thank you so much for your participation, Bella Han and Eliane Shi. Ok? Obrigado, então, Eliane, por estar aqui com a gente. Agradeço a participação nos testes da Alexandre Monteiro, também da Mayra, da Iana, também participou aqui com a gente, e da voz aqui da Cida, fazendo essa leitura para a língua inglesa e para o português, né, de toda essa sua apresentação. E peço a todos que acessem também o HairTech da ABC, façam já suas inscrições, casadacosmetologia.com.br, vocês já vão conseguir acessar. Fiquem atentos aos próximos webinars da Colormix aqui na ABC. E, Eliane, vou deixar com você agora para as palavras finais.
Thank you.
Thank you, Bella Han. Thank you, Eliane Shi.
Lilian.
Em nome da Colormix, especialidades, né? Agradecemos a ABC, a todas as pessoas que estiveram.
Eliane? Acho que travou a conexão aqui da Eliane, gente. Vamos tentar mais um segundinho, Eliane. Bem, então, pessoal, não estamos aqui com a Eliane tem uma travada aqui na conexão dela. Então, eu vou falar aqui um pouquinho em nome da Colormix, então, do Departamento da Ciência e Vida da Colormix. Agradecemos a Bella Han, a SiCare, que está aqui. Todo mundo que quiser buscar maiores informações, procurem, né, em colormix.net.br. Tem aqui a presença aqui do Insta da Eliane, que é o _dornelas, tá? Podem procurar por ela também. E todo o setor comercial aqui todo o setor comercial da Colormix. Pessoal, muito obrigado a todos, obrigado pela participação de vocês, tanto quem está no YouTube como quem está aqui no Zoom. Eu agradeço a Cida na tradução, então, novamente, e vamos finalizar por aqui. So, Bella, let me finish this one. Okay, thank you so much, Bella. Thank you so much for your presentation. Okay, see you soon. Hope to see you here in Brazil sometimes, okay? Sometime.
Okay, of course, looking forward to.
Ok. Thank you, obrigado. Então, obrigado, pessoal da Colormix. A Eliane não voltou aqui até agora, não tem problema. Eu dou tchau pela Eliane. Thank you so much, Bella. Bye, bye, pessoal.
Bye, bye.